Hi, I'm Andy Stanfield of True Blue Quilts. I'm a long arm quilter, pattern designer, and teacher. My goal is to help quilters enjoy, experiment, and excel as they express their creativity in a tangible way. I offer trunk shows, lectures, and workshops online via the Zoom platform and in person as soon as conditions allow. My most popular trunk show is based on my book, Monochromatic Quilts, Amazing Variety. I share the quilts and discuss the color theory and inspiration for each one. Hands-on activities are included, so participants are inspired to work with a monochromatic palette that is built from their own stash. In Journey of a 21st Century Quilter, I preview both books that I have written as well as some of my other work, such as the Arizona flag quilt. Part of our reality these days is online learning and social media, so in this lecture I focus on the digital resources I have found helpful on my quilting journey thus far. I love scrappy quilts, and I tend to fall in love with specialty rulers and templates that make our quilting life easier. Angle Play the Easy Way features quilts from my second book. As a certified Angle Play instructor, I teach quilters the beauty of constructing fabulous designs from half rectangle triangles using specially engineered templates designed to achieve accuracy quickly and easily. Let me share a few of the workshops I offer for groups anywhere from a single student up to 25 people. Beginner and advanced angle play classes teach you to use these templates for a variety of block styles. An introduction to paper piecing class features my flutter-free butterfly block. Or have fun exploring the starburst ruler or the twister blocks. Please visit truebluequilts.com to book these lectures and workshops. I hope to see you in class soon, but until then, happy stitching.